The Neptune DXP excels when it comes to integration, enabling unified user experiences and enterprise mobility, leveraging API-based integration, but also benefiting from SAP-centric app development, where the platform has unrivaled capabilities in the market to leverage SAP. The Neptune DXP helps you build custom apps based on modular, reusable application building blocks. The IT department can easily industrialize enterprise app development, rolling out mobile apps to provide a unified user experience for any setting or use case. The DXP is made to leverage your existing developer skill sets without intensive training or upskilling, and also to improve upon existing business processes either by integrating them to make everything work together or simply by creating custom applications that simplify interacting with the processes. Everyone can work seamlessly together due to the API-based collaboration model. The entire platform works via API calls, so everything is modular and easy to communicate and integrate with. We can accelerate integration by being the only rapid application development platform that's certified to sit directly within the SAP NetWeaver stack, so ABAP developers within a business can continue to work the way they're used to, but with additional tooling that makes it possible to expose this logic via APIs. Traditional developers can work with JavaScript, the most abundant web development resource, with pro-code capabilities to write any kind of custom logic, but also this is paired with low-code tools to simplify, govern, and ensure quality with common practices. On top of this, business users can benefit from the low-code and no-code capabilities within the platform, where they can assemble functional applications that can be used as the foundation for the technical resources to integrate with services or other custom functionalities, before deploying to a super app with just a few clicks, where the end users get the up-to-date application ready to use. A super app is a responsive container, where it's simple to deploy any number of applications organized into groups. Everything here is role-based and easy to log in with single sign-on. So there's just one point of entry for all users who each can have their own custom experience within one super app. Integration is accelerated within the Neptune DXP, thanks in part to the low-code API designer tool, where you can create and maintain API definitions based on Swagger or OpenAPI specifications. Anything created here is reusable throughout the platform, within applications to microservices. Everything from authentication to custom responses can be configured here. To complement this is the API Factory, a unique capability of the Neptune DXP. The positioning of the Neptune SAP edition within the SAP architecture, running directly in the NetWeaver stack, side by side with the business layer, makes it possible to not only build REST microservices that are ABAP based, but now we're also able to automate the REST API generation of other SAP artifacts, ABAP classes, function modules, and BAPIs, as well as ALV reports, standard and custom. Our approach to integration allows customers to leverage on their SAP investment. All of the customization and custom code extensions can be made available as APIs. Let's have a look at the API Factory wizard, which is capable of automatically converting ABAP artifacts into APIs, following a simple step-by-step wizard built into the SAP GUI. As well as this ability, the API Factory can automate the creation of APIs for a number of SAP artifacts dynamically at runtime. In the case of ALV reports, we can even automate the generation of a UI5 application, with zero development needed in the process in order to create or maintain it. So you can have mobile, responsive ALV reports that completely replace the need to use the SAP GUI and provide further features on top without any coding. Plus, they're generated at runtime, so they're always up to date. A great use case that really shows the value of this integration accelerator is with Microsoft Teams. The API Factory dynamically creates an API for an SAP BAPI to get the details of a customer. This is then integrated with a Microsoft connector, which enables a conversational interface within Teams to communicate directly with SAP, getting real-time information. These APIs are high performance as well. When compared to traditional SAP OData, we're running at roughly 19 times the speed with a 3 times smaller payload. Integration and automation can be further accelerated by the Workflow Designer, which is our no-code approach for designing workflows which can trigger user actions and microservices within a sequence. You can even schedule these workflows. The business value here is that you can automate and streamline any kind of business process across any system, utilizing resources configured within and connected to the DXP. This is where you can really take your analytics to the next level, since each microservice can be integrated with NPM modules, APIs, and tables connected to the platform. Running custom logic that incorporates any data source is easy. You can integrate into advanced open source libraries that further accelerate the development, so you can really extract value from whatever custom process you have. Generating these analytics is simplified with the Neptune DXP, thanks to the adaptive framework. Here you can see some examples of charts which were built using this framework, which is one of the no-code tools available within the platform. There are 4 key templates that form the foundations of the adaptive framework. The business intelligence template allows easy custom visualizations of data, from column charts to pie charts, with an interactive panel that allows users to adjust the structure of the data being presented, along with easy filtering and sorting capabilities. Everything is responsive and mobile ready by default. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you choose your template. Secondly, you can either import from Excel or choose to connect with any data source, be that a database of the platform or a live external service, and then configure. You can then use the adaptive designer in combination with an adaptive template and a data source to create your custom no-code application. These no-code analytical applications can be deployed to super apps in just a few clicks. They're lightweight and generated at runtime, so you always have up-to-date visualizations.